Televised.
Yo, the revolution will not come to you through a box. It won't care if you're ready or not. It's not. I'm gonna wait for a commercial break to time, and you won't be able to turn it off. They try to make us all complacent, placed in stages, mazes that we're all amazed with. MTV generation raised up in cages of the mind, confined to think you're basic. And they say impossible, I hate to upset you. Impossible to steal beams melting from jet fuel. Impossible, there's more like magic bullets. A rabbit in a hat, abracadabra bullet. Impossible is calling this democracy. Hypocrisy, yeah, everyone is high in the sea. But rock's unique as much as a rock is free. And I can see what lies behind the lies you speak. Please, what are these games claiming landed the brave? Landed the slave and the slave master slicing your brain. Lobotomize entire nation, TV station designed to take your mind off your own life, wasting your time. And in time you're gonna see, but not on TV. No, won't come with a preview on the silver screen. And no, it won't be labeled viewer discretion advised. Cause you can revolution is live. Televised, televised, televised. The revolution will not be and now it's late in the game, and the framework is laid. Like I wanna go back on your actions and ways. The past is gon' pass, yeah, now it's too late. No time to whine and complain. And the days that remain, becoming you as the news of the truth, getting too much to contain. And the freedoms and change, yeah, the free speech they used to be is called treason today. Language enslaved, and though the words are the same, the media has made the meanings all change. Like where self-inflicted massacre is badly staged. A new terminology used now is mistake. Word invade is now liberate. And when the missile hits a Pentagon, they call it a plane. It's insane how easy they keep getting away. And when they're caught, they pull the curtain for security's sake. And if you ever think outside the box and use your logic, the syndrome is known as unpatriotic. No, it's not gonna be labeled viewer discretion advised. Cause if you were rooting, you can revolution is not. Televised, televised, televised. The revolution will not